Hello everyone, good morning and Jai Hind to all of you. So previously we have seen question number 1 and 2 of exercise number 5.1. Now let's move to the number 3. For the following is write the first term and the common difference. See number 1, 31 minus 1 minus 3 and so on. So we need to find first term and common difference. So first term, that is, it is clear, first term is 31. So A equals to 31 and common difference D. So D equals to this term minus this term, right? So minus 1 minute. Actually it is 3, 1. Printing mistake, right? Okay. So A is 3 and D is C, 1 minus 3. Okay. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Suppose you find D for these two terms. So again D equals to minus 1 minus this one. So again it is minus 2. Okay. So from the whole AP any दो कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म्स, कोई भी दो कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म का अगर आप डिफरेंस फाइंड करोगे तो आपको सेम मिलेगा, राइट? नाउ सेकंड कर सकते हो होमवर्क में। थर्ड देखिए, फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म है 1/3, 5/3, 9/3, 13/3. Okay. Now, so first term is A is 1/3 and D difference is 5/3 minus 1/3. 5/3 minus 1/3. So it is 5 minus 1/3. So it is 4/3. So difference is 4/3, right? Again fourth one homework में कर सकते हो। Now question number 4. Which of the following is, right? So नीचे आपको एक्सप्रेशन गिवन है सीरीज, उसमें से कौन सी एपी है और कौन सी नहीं है। If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. ठीक है, अगर वो AP है तो उसका कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है एंड मोर, यानी आपको 4 टर्म्स गिवन है, देन 3 मोर टर्म्स यानी 5, 6 एंड 7 ये टर्म जो है वो फाइंड करना है। ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट इज इजी, गो फॉर द सेकंड। 2, 5/2, 3, 7/2. Okay. Now see, first we need to check it is AP or not. So as I said in previous lecture, if difference between two consecutive terms are remain same for all the terms, then we can say that it is an AP, right? So first 5/2 minus 2, D equals to 5/2 minus 2, that is 1/2, right? Again 3 minus 5/2, again difference 3 minus 5/2. So again it is 1/2, right? Now 7/2 minus 3, so again it is 1/2. So you can see 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. Difference remains same for every time. So it is an AP. So AP है, therefore we need to find 3 more terms. That means fifth term, that is A5. A5 means A plus 4D. What is A? First term is 2, right? And D is 1 by 2. Plus 4, D is 1 by 2. 2 2s are 4. So 2 plus 2 1s are 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Now sixth term A6. So A plus 5D. So A plus 5D is उसका sixth term मिल जाएगा. And same for A7. A plus 6D. यानी 7 टर्म भी मिल जाएगा. यहाँ पे आपको जो टर्म्स मिलेंगे देन आफ्टर पूरी AP आपको यहाँ पे लिखनी है, राइट? नाउ फिफ्थ वन 3 plus root 2 3 plus 2 root 2 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. See, यहाँ पे देख के पता चल जाएगा कि AP है. देखो पहले क्या है, ओनली 3, फिर रूट 2 ऐड हुआ, फिर अगेन रूट 2 ऐड हुआ, यानी रूट 2 प्लस रूट 2 2 रूट 2 हो गया, अगेन रूट 2 3 रूट 2, फिर आएगा 3 प्लस 4 रूट 2 3 प्लस 5 रूट 2. दैट मींस इट इज एन AP. आपको यहाँ पे डिफरेंस फाइंड करके पहले शो करना है कि वो AP है. देन आफ्टर 3 प्लस 3 रूट 2 के बाद जो फिफ्थ टर्म आएगा वो आपका क्या हो जाएगा 3 प्लस 4 रूट 2. आपका जो D है वो आपको रूट 2 मिलेगा. 3 रूट 2 माइनस 3 करोगे तो 3 3 कट हो जाएगा, रिमेंस रूट 2. एंड दिस इज फॉर एवरी टाइम. ठीक है? सो डिफरेंस इज रूट 2 एंड fifth term is 3 plus 4 root 2, sixth term is 3 plus 5 root 2 and seventh term is 6 root 2, right? Yes. 8 नंबर में जो है -1 -1 sorry -1 by 2 -1 by 2 -1 by 2 and so on. So difference between two consecutive terms is 0. So it is AP or not? Sorry. It is AP or not? So yes, it is an AP. Why? Because this term minus this term 0 answer है, and also for these two terms again. So difference जो है every time 0 आएगा और वो same ही है ना, and that's why we can say that it is an AP, right? डिफरेंस क्या होना चाहिए, सेम होना चाहिए, फिर वो 0 हो या कुछ भी हो. ठीक है? ओके, नेक्स्ट नंबर 10. A, 2A, 3A, 4A. Again you can see here A increases. First A, फिर 2A, फिर 3A. So एक एक जो है वो increase हो रहा है, right? So first term is A. Difference 2A minus A. So 2A minus A is A. Second difference 3A minus 2A. Again A and same for 4A minus 3A, right? Fifth term जो होगा वो 5 हो जाएगा, sixth term 6 है, seventh term 7 है. Easy है? Okay. Next, yes. See. So first term is A, right? Difference D. a square minus a common, so remains a minus 1. Again secondly, a cube minus a square common, a minus 1. So you can see difference are not same, and that's why which is not an AP. Okay, now go for the 13. Root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12, and so on. Okay. See, first a is root 3, right? Now difference d, root 6 minus root 3. इसमें अगर और सिंप्लीफाई करना है, 6 जो है उसको रूट 3 इंटू रूट 2 लिख सकते हैं, माइनस रूट 3 एज इट इज, रूट 3 कॉमन, सो क्या हो जाएगा, रूट 3 इन ब्रैकेट रूट 2 माइनस 1. नाउ रूट 9 माइनस रूट 6, रूट 9 माइनस रूट 6, सो रूट 9 इज root 3 into root 3 minus root 6 is root 3 into root 2. So root 3 common. So in bracket remains root 3 minus root 2. See, difference are not same, and that's why this is not an AP. ठीक है, so AP है. So उसके फर्दर आपको 3 टर्म्स फाइंड करने, अदरवाइज सिंपली आफ्टर फाइंड डिफरेंस लिख देना है नीचे, इट इज नॉट एन AP, राइट? नाउ एक्सरसाइज 5.1, उसमें जो नंबर 1 है, जो टेबल गिवन है, which is totally based on, as I said in previous lecture, exercise 5.2 totally based on a single formula, an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? नंबर 1, उसमें फर्स्ट जो है उसमें a equals to 7, d equals to 3, n equals to 8 and an जो है वो फाइंड करना है. So we know that an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we don't have an, so an as it is, a is 7 plus n minus 1, n is 8 minus 1 into d is 3. Now 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7, and 7 3s are 21. So 7 plus 21, that is 28. So an is 28. Okay. Now second, a is minus 18, d, n and an. Okay. Try it first. Put the values in our formula. Okay, so we know that an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now an is 0, therefore 0 equals to a is minus 18 plus n minus 1. So what is n? 10. So 10 minus 1 into d. d तो है नहीं. Now 0, this minus 18, take it left, so it will be positive plus 18, right? Equals to 10 minus 1 into d. So 10 minus 1 is 9, 9d. So therefore d equals to 18. ये जो 9 है वो d के मल्टीप्लाई है, so 18 के नीचे जाएगा डिवीजन में. 9 2s are 8 and therefore d equals to 2. Okay, so similarly 3, 4th and 5th जो है वो भी आप होमवर्क में कर सकते हो. ठीक है, so your today's homework is complete exercise number 5.1 and question number 1 of exercise number 5.2 and examples 1 and 2. Okay, so this is your today's homework. And write class form. Okay, so see you next lecture. Till then, goodbye. Take care.